This is Madison Grey Slip-Resistant, a modern cement look, matte glazed tile developed locally at Ceramic Industries, made using EcoTec technology, which allows for a reduction in the volume of clay used to produce a stronger tile. Madison Grey Slip-Resistant's compact square format is ideal for patios, walkways and outdoor entertainment spaces, creating an almost seamless surface that is both durable and low maintenance. The Madison EcoTec Hardbody tile collection offers 2 color options in a smooth finish, as well as one slip-resistant variant, ideal for use both indoors and out. Madison Grey Slip-Resistant is well suited to exteriors, finished in calming neutrals, while also harmonizing beautifully with similar interior design settings, from urban and modern to classic and contemporary. If you're looking for quality, cutting-edge technology, as well as lasting beauty and durability, then Madison Grey Slip-Resistant is for you. Shop it online or in store at Italtile.